Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Account access, billing method, and two-factor authentication are active. Once done, install the tracking pixel and verify key events like purchase and lead so optimization has data to learn from. Now create a campaign. Choose an objective that matches your goal, set a daily or lifetime budget, and schedule start/end dates. Make sure to name campaigns clearly for later reporting, and move immediately to build your first ad group and creatives after this setup. Next, configure targeting and creatives with care. Choose audiences, saved, lookalike, or custom, and limit to 1 to 3 high-priority segments so the algorithm learns faster. Upload multiple creative variations, images, short videos, headlines, and clear CTAs, and plan a/B tests to compare performance. Then set bids, preferred placements, and frequency caps. Use auto-bid as a safety net if you lack historical data. Finally, review creative specs and monitoring alerts before launching to ensure delivery starts smoothly. To finish, monitor campaign KPIs daily, CTR, CPC, conversion rate, and ROAS, and pause low performers quickly to conserve budget. Once a creative or audience performs, scale in modest increments, roughly 20% increases, and duplicate settings for controlled tests so you know what drove gains. Make sure to finalize reporting windows and export key data for analysis. If problems occur, check tracking integrity, resolve any ad disapprovals, and look for audience overlap. These fixes often restore performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.